The motivation is for us to try to incorporate reading and writing and art at the same time. That's what we want to do today. Take your photograph, put it through a copy machine, put a piece of transparency instead of paper in the copy machine, run that through and come up with your transparency to make your black line, then project it, and maybe you don't even need to then make a black line. You could just draw directly from the photo. That's another way to do it. Just draw, and you would pay attention to the outside lines, the nostril, the beak line, the eye, and the detail in the eye, especially paying attention to things like the glint of light, because that's what makes something come alive. But at the same time, I'm also going to be sort of brainstorming with you and making a word bank over here of some of the words that we come up with when we're drawing an eagle. Direction of feathers is really, you start right here above and you're going back that way, so they all go back this way. And then you're going to put the darkest colors on the edge over here, so your dark blues. You don't have to fill the whole thing, which is why it's kind of neat to have white paper on a bald eagle, because you know it's mostly white. You're just going to put in a few feathers here and there. You could use the gold, yellow, ochre color. You could use your natural colors. You could use a little bit of gray. And over near the edge over here, you could use some of your red-brown colors. Repeat the color that you used before and make a dark edge right here. When I do a directed draw, I can do it if I rush in 1 hour. Most of the time, I require an hour and a half to do a directed draw with kids from start to finish.